Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play MOV files on a Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. MOV files are a common video format, and Windows 10 can play them using the built-in media player, so there's no need to install any extra software. First, go to the MOV file on your computer. Once you find the file, right-click on it. From the menu, click on Open With. Here, you may see multiple options. Even if you don't see many options, that's completely fine. Now, select Windows Media Player. This is the default media player that comes built into Windows 10. As soon as you click on it, the MOV file will open and start playing automatically. And that's it. This is how you can easily play MOV files on your Windows 10 computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.